Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wedding Valentine's Day decor number 9. Guess what I found at the Dollar Tree? 2 sequence pillows. I'm doing a ring barrel pillow do-over. This pillow is much smaller than the ring barrel pillow I did in my previous video. I will also be doing a matching flower girls basket. I love this pillow because you can use it as a gold pillow or a white one. For this project, I'll be using some ribbons that I purchased from Michael's and a flower, baby breath, and a small heart that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. This pillowcase is about 9.5 inches across. Of course, 9.5 inches the other way also. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I appreciate you stopping by. Welcome to I Love Weddings. I am Monica and I appreciate you watching my video. If by the end of this video you love this content, I appreciate it and I would love it if you subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on so you will know each time I upload a video. Thank you again. I appreciate you. Now to my loyal, dedicated, loving family members who come back each time, watch my video, comment, like, even share my video. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys from where? The bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. This channel would not be what it is without you, and I appreciate you. Now for the rest of this video, I'm just going to sit back and be quiet and let you guys enjoy this video. I love this little sequins pillow. I made two little hearts on it. How cute!